Hey guys, Rick for Sonny and Serum back in our video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the bass from On and On by Alok Dynoro. So the final result will sound like this. So if you find a preset right away, make sure to check Lit Sounds for 1. In the preset pack you find all the sounds you need to make this kind of style of music. To make the pack we recreated sounds from Alok, Serum, Dynoro, all those big artists. So besides that you get a lot of drum sounds in there as well, with kicks, claps, snares, hi-hat, groove elements. So it contains all you need to make this kind of style of music. So now let's dive into the bass sound. Sounding like this. So we're gonna make it from scratch, selecting the preset. So for these bass sounds, they're quite FM based, so we're gonna start off with 2 FM wavetables. This one, lower down to octaves. And we're gonna FM it by oscillator B, so lower down level. And select this FM wavetable, lower down to octaves. Wavetable around here and select FM from B till around halfway. We're gonna filter the sound. So low 24. Cut off on here some drive fatness. And then we're gonna route envelope 2 to it. So around here, we're gonna shade that. Then we're gonna shade the envelope. We're gonna really short the K time. Just like this. Then select mono legato always. To add some more slide to it. We're gonna add a sub oscillator as well. We're gonna go for the square wave. Lower down to octaves, sounding like this. Now we're gonna add a kick to it. Just to add some more punch. To around here. So that's for the oscillator, so now let's dive into effects. First of all, some hyper dimension. Right, I'm gonna use the dimension part just to open up the bass line a little bit more. Then some chorus. Shape like this. Some EQing to open up the high end of the sound. So we're gonna route envelope 2 to the gain. Just like this. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add a reverb to the top end of the sound. So put it low cut quite a bit and lower down the mix. Just like this. And that's for the bass sound. So with the vocal chops it's sound like this. And that's it for the Alok video. So if you like the video, please leave a like, see more, and the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.